Ban penpau perthai halor ka jing Riew spa ki jilla jong kani ka Thaiñ Shatei lam Mihngi ha ka Shillong Tynrai ka School ba National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT Shillong ha kani ka tayaw ka lapelong da ka yaw ka bakerpang ban pen inam bat di ki tiar kitar kiriam Tynrai bat ki wede ki jing su jing Thaiñ da ki jat ban Riew na keleng ki jilla jong kani ka Thaiñ Shatei lam Mihngi. Hakas ngis dang jong kani ka yaw lawan ban play the regional director jong ka Indian Institute for Cultural Relations ICCR Umunish Singh kumukongsan ha ka jingadon ringkat director jong ka NIFT Shillong Ushankar Khuborjylla.
This indeed is really, important, and I believe that we should appreciate Nift for taking up such a wonderful step, spearheaded by Khuborkhasi. This is really a wonderful initiative, and we should carry on this more ahead.
The purpose of this craft bazaar is to provide an interface to the artisans and the weavers across all the Northeast states, as well as the new innovative create-minded students of the NIFT Shillong. The interaction with the students as well as the artisans will yield to the new innovative design-oriented products having the market presence globally. This is the purpose.
Hakini ki arsngi hakini ka yaw na lor ki Samla puli ki belathiet ki tiar ki babonjat la donru ki Riew pat ba ki bali irung hakini ka yaw bat hakasngi ka bakhatdu ki Samla puli ki lapen inam ru ikiriam ki bet jung ki jat ban Riew bapher hakini ka sngi lawan penkut yakini ka yaw da commissioner bat secretary jong Khuborjylla Sanjay Goyal IAS ringkat director jong kani ka school ba ringkat ka jingadon lang kinong hikai.
So I'm very happy to see that this kind of creativity is happening in this institution, supporting various artists and organizing this kind of craft bazaar, which becomes a platform to showcase their talent, bringing the artists together, exposing them to various nuances of the economy as well as the kind of exposure they need to upgrade their skills and take their talent and their creativity forward.